Welcome back everyone to my channel. Looking a little messy. I haven't had enough time to really fix this up. It's been really busy. It's been really hot. Today was such a hot day. I gave my grandson a bath and he enjoyed it. He played with the water for a bit. And then I was able to take like a 5-minute shower today because girl is babysitting. So when we're babysitting our babies, it's just really hectic. I don't like leaving babies alone that long. So I snuck away for 5 minutes and took a shower. So I left this hot mess. I'm really digging my short nails. They look really refreshing. And I'm going to do my toes. I don't know if I'm going to be able to record, but I'm going to try. And I'm going to also go ahead and do the same nail design that I'm digging. And I'm going to do them longer because I really do like them. But in this video today, we're going to go ahead and make some Quesa Biria tacos. I haven't really told everyone how to make the birria because it's my husband's secret recipe. And yeah, I haven't been able to get the recipe from him due to time. We've just been really busy. So I'm going to go ahead and try my best to record. You guys know I have 2 hands, so I can only use one to hold the camera. I think I've been doing pretty good. You guys, let me know. Comment down below and let me know if I'm doing better because I have to do it on my own now because my husband's really busy and I do not want to bother him with too many things. So with that said, you guys, we're going to do some Quesa Biria tacos. Excuse all the background noise, but if I don't start recording for you guys, I will not have a chance to record anytime soon. So we're going to have to take it with all the noise. For all my new subscribers, don't forget to hit that little bell notification. They will notify you of more videos that are to come. And for those that would love to subscribe, welcome to the team where we just do spontaneous things because I am super busy, but I love to do videos. So I'm going to try to sneak in as many as I could. I'm going to share this idea with you guys. I bought these yogurts and they are the Silk almond milk ones, and they are really tasty if you're looking for like sugar like me. And you can pour some of this cereal in there, and oh my gosh, you guys, it is so good. I love sugar, so I'm always trying to look for healthy ways, and that definitely was really tasty. So let's get to it, you guys, to our video. Here we have the birria. It was definitely a big cazuela. Let me show off my beautiful, refreshing nails. I'm going to go ahead and heat this up. I was going to kind of use it like this, but that's being lazy. And then I think I'm going to mess up the Quesa Birria tacos like that. Over here we have this cheese. This is the one he brought home. I've never tried this one. I'm thinking it's going to be good. We have some cilantro. I'm going to cut up some onions. But we're going to get started with this first. Trying to show off my nails. Let me see so you guys can see them. I love making videos and keeping them for memories because I love my nails. You guys all know that. Okay, so let's go ahead and warm this up. I'm going to go ahead and chop up some onion. Of course, I'm going to get more than this. This is what I left out today. So let's chop up some onion. Okay, so we've got the onion. We're going to go ahead and cut up a lemon to use for our tacos. Okay, so this is how bad I am as far as remembering. So my husband and I have been married for like ever, and I still can't remember like everything that he puts in this birria. Literally, I cannot remember. So I'm going to try to guess what's in here. So when I do give you guys the recipe, hopefully I'm right on some of the things that I can remember. So in the broth, I believe there's a bag of guajillo chiles. I believe there is cumin in here, pepper, salt, obviously, tomatoes. I thought I saw him using some tomatillos. And yeah, actually I can't remember the rest, you guys. So definitely I'm so excited to get you guys the recipe one day, and let's see how close I was to it. So what we want to do here is, obviously I'm gonna warm this up because we're gonna use the broth, the consomme. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take out as much meat as I can so we can make our tacos, and I can show you how I'm gonna do this. Here, you guys, we've already separated the meat. We've got the broth right here. Right here we have our consomme. We're gonna add some onions to this. I'm gonna go ahead and add as well some cilantro, a little lime juice, and obviously we'll be adding some tapatio and that kind of thing. So let's get started with the tacos. We've got our tortilla. We're gonna go ahead and dip it in here. There we go. We are going to go ahead and fill it up with meat. Here we have the layer of meat. I don't want too much meat, obviously. Here we've got the cheese. Okay, so we put a little bit of oil in here. We're gonna go ahead and fold it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and fry that up both sides. You can totally crisp these up. It's up to you. I'm kind of crisping them a little bit more. I know my daughter's gonna like them almost like fried tacos kind of texture, and maybe mine will be kind of like in between. Here we've got consomme. Look at how pretty these tacos look. Let's add some cilantro. Okay, I'm trying to use my one hand. Sorry guys, even as I'm recording, I'm gonna be getting phone calls. So, okay, that looks pretty. Maybe you can add some lime juice. So what I'm gonna do, see how this looks? You can add some tapatio if you'd like, which I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead to the consomme and I'm gonna add tapatio as well. So let's see how these came out. I'm trying to work with what I have. Let me see, am I blocking this? It looks like I am. Okay, here we go. Okay, so let's get one of these. Look at how beautiful these look. We're gonna pour it in here.
That was an accident. That was an accident. Calm down. That was an accident.
You guys, so let's try another bite. Excuse the background noises in this house. I'm not gonna do voiceover. None of that. I don't have time. So, these tacos are bomb. Look at how beautiful these look. The cheese is melted. It's just really, really good. Let's give it another bite. These are bomb. With that said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And with that said, I will see you guys here on our next recipe. Take care, everyone. Have a great one. And I'll be uploading a nail video.